Hi, my name is Anne van Berkel and I'm working for GS1 Switzerland, and I'd like to present you some insights on UDI and MDR and how to implement UDI with the GS1 system. In this short tutorial, you will see the definition and the targets of UDI. But before we start, we have a quick look on our disclaimer. Neither GS1 nor its member organizations or their staff have the authority to speak for the regulators or to grant exceptions. GS1 provides recommendations focused on GS1 standards. Neither GS1 nor its member organizations and their employees assume no liability for the action taken by their members. Thank you very much. To give you another support, we highlighted on several slides some questions. Those questions will help you through your journey to UDI. Let's start with an overview of MDR and then we take a look on UDI and the benefits of it. Here you see an overview of the new medical device regulation MDR 2017-745. There are 10 chapters and 17 annexes in the MDR. In the MDR, you will find everything from scope to timeline and from the definitions to the marking. So far, so good. With this slide, I like to highlight all the chapters and annexes where UDI is mentioned. Overall, UDI and parts of the UDI, it's mentioned in 6 chapters and 5 annexes. Let's start with UDI and the meaning of UDI. UDI is a worldwide system for uniform product labeling of medical devices. The UDI enables the unique identification of a specific medical product on the market. UDI is a series of numeric or alphanumeric characters to identify a medical device globally. The benefits of UDI are highlighted on this slide. UDI helps you in case of a callback because all products are identified uniquely. A second benefit is with UDI, your master data are well maintained and you are able to share them digital, which helps all the others in the supply chain. The main target and also the main benefit is that UDI improves transparency and patient security. Please keep in mind that UDI is only applied for regulated medical devices. The MDR does not apply to pharmaceuticals. Another important thing is that UDI can vary from country to country. Make sure you are aware of your target market so that your UDI is compliant. This was a short tutorial about definition and the targets of UDI. I hope that you enjoyed it. There are more tutorials about UDI. Check out on our homepage. Stay tuned.